Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide fix unable to send message on your iPhone, or if you are unable to send message from your iPhone, then there will be various reasons behind it. The first thing is that you just to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then that will also be the reason that you are not being able to send the message. So to make sure that it is connected to any kind of network. The second thing which you need to do is that you just need to check the send receiver's number or email. So if you're trying to send someone a message and you are entering the number or able to receive the message from your iPhone. So the third thing which you need to do is that you just need to open settings on your iPhone, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of messages or iMessages. So if you don't see over here, you just need to go on the option of apps, and here you will be able to find all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of message and make sure that your iMessage is enabled. So if you have disabled it, then you won't be able to send the iMessage to your friend. And if you are still not being able to send the message, then you just need to simply long press the volume down button and power button at the same time, and you just need to restart your iPhone to fix the issue. So most of the common iPhone issues are fixed by restarting the device. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue of not being able to send message from iPhone. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.